Yeah, so the guy has disappeared. I think he's going to look for help. He's not happy. Meanwhile, my brother just called me now. He's also bought a land in Kumasi. And when he got there, the king said the land belonged to someone else, so it wasn't for sale in the first place. So they went and got my uncle. They went with them there. They've given him they went and got a new place. So the guy's giving them a replacement, and then they thought that replacement will come for free. No, it won't come for free, big man. So obviously his wife is like angry, you know, and stuff like that. But I always knew it boiled down to money anyway. But these are kind of experiences you need to come through. Even here, I have to um, go and see the king again, even after I bought it legitimately. And then we had to kind of sort out next man as well to help us out. So it's just one of the downsides of the things that happens around this area. And you just got to think of the long term, the long term as well. It's one of them things. You got to think, if there's no structure for kind of having money, these are kind of ways in which people look after their families and stuff like that. So basically, say the money they charge them, they're gonna have to give some to a couple elders, a couple people, a couple kings. So it is what it is, man. So if you stick, I'm linking that to what this carpenter has been doing now. That you have to understand that you have to be almost in Zen mode, or you have to kind of understand the culture, else you just be angry all over the place. For me trying to get a SIM card yesterday, and the people paying ahead of me getting a deal, to the land to now. Anyway, these are the kind of things that the earlier you get exposed to it, the better. Or listen to me, I'll tell you how Ghana is or Africa is. Listen to me. Yeah, but the earlier you get exposed to these things, the better understand it, And then once you understand these things, you're able to know when you see again, you see what happens. Because I can bet you money, every single person here is having to go through this every day, and I don't see it as corruption or something like that. I just see it as a different way of life, and you just have to understand that kind of way of life as well. What I say? Yeah, different way of life as well, and that's how it works. So, you just have to learn. But it's been 10. They said they got here at 6, and they've done 1-ish. So that tells you how hard the work is, and they haven't been laying around. One guy is doing the rings, and the other guy is doing the thing as well. So they wanted to put a beam here, but the carpenter again is reluctant to do it. Just doesn't want it. Telling them they wouldn't need it. Yeah, you got one on the far side. So whatever you got one on the far side, why you just link it here? So it's in a mood today. He's in a mood today. So, but I'll just quietly insist it gets done, and it will have to get done, something like that. If not, then we don't proceed anyway. So, or you just give him something extra, like you give him a little bit of money to do it, even though he's charged a lot. Pros and cons, man. Pros and cons. I can get someone else. Fine. But the next time there's another role in there, then you have to consider, okay, will this guy be the guy that I need to engage him? Or you say everything out. Say, look, listen, This is how I want my things done. So before you approach him, you let him know everything. So therefore, there's no issues. But yeah, this is the daily drama you want to see um, on your YouTube because it will just show the work being done or the work done. But you need to kind of go through these things. I mean, and even if you avoid it, it's just a matter of time till you come into the situation you're going to be doing it. It's just a matter of time till you go through it. So the earlier you get exposed to it, the better. And your handling skills is key. And even when you're doing the business as well, the guy there in the block factory was telling me how the lead guy, the person that let go of him, told him that he can't work with him. Said he absolutely can't work with him, but he's the best worker. What? Diablo. Maybe. Okay, okay, yeah. Yeah. And literally, he said to him that he couldn't work anymore. He said to him, look, don't worry, I'll manage him. And he said, yeah, since then he's been ever there ever since with him. The manager for the block factory, as an assistant. So, and he has got a temper. So sometimes you can get someone that's nice and cool, and he will kind of take the piss someone a different way. Or this guy in general is okay. It's the first time he's kind of showing this kind of behavior. So you don't know what people are going through. I know he just had a kid, but that's normally a good celebration. So I don't know what's going on. But yeah, another marking for these wins.